guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and I just want to say thank you so much for getting me to 500 subscribers. It means the absolute world. As I'm filming this, I literally made it to 500 subscribers today. So, oh my gosh, like, that's crazy. Like, I'm so excited. So thank you guys, because I couldn't have done it without your help. And leave a comment down below. If you're the first person to leave a comment down below, you will get a shout out in my next video. Thank you to for being the first person to comment on the last video. It means the absolute world to me because you guys helped me get to 500 subscribers. All your comments, likes, dislikes, all of that lovely interaction helps me out, helps YouTube out, know what you guys want to see, and when you guys are, it helps YouTube to know what you guys want to see, so it helps me out, but also, like, thank you guys. Thank you. Like, thank you. Remember, leave your Instagram handle in the comments of the giveaway video. Make sure you're a US citizen and you'll be entered to win my 500 subscriber giveaway. It ends on October 1st, so and be sure to comment the palette that you guys want. The Jeffree Star mystery box was going to be an option, but we hit 500 subscribers before that, so thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're going to go into Jeffree Star palette. We're going to go into Raspberry. I just want it deeper. I don't know if it's coming off that way, but I want it deeper. I need to start doing more gory makeup for you guys, so I can have some for Halloween, but like I said, I've just had a lot going on lately, and it's been one of those times. I'm just like, playing in makeup is relaxing and whatnot. It's just, you know, you get stressed and you just, you look at it and it's all overwhelming. In a good way, but, you know, overwhelming. Alright, now I'm going to go into Calabasas. I think I'm still going in the wrong color. I'm going to go into that one right there. I might want to mix the two. Like, I feel like the color I'm wanting is in between them, so I might just mix them. Let's see. Okay. I'm trying to be faster, but you know me. As much as I want to be like quick and efficient, I'm just not. I take my time and like decide over things and change my mind and decide over them again. There it is. That guy. Okay. I need to cut my crease. Do a halo. For me, the halo is harder than a cut crease. Like, I can do a full-on cut crease, no big deal. A halo is like the hardest. Sometimes the brush doesn't want to listen and then you don't get like an even line up there. It's difficult. Okay, now I'm going to dig back into the palette. I'm going to go back into this shade right here. Okay, now I'm going to take Custom Rims. I want it good good and thick. I am just realizing my camera is crooked. I'm sorry, but also like every time I try to straighten it, I feel like I make it worse, so we're just gonna leave it. Good quality content where the camera is crooked and the points don't matter. And if you don't know why I say that, we can't be friends. One of my favorite shows in the entire world is Whose Line Is It Anyway? Like, in the entire world. I love the improv and all that goes into something like that. Those shows crack me up. Tell you what. I actually used to love Wild 'N Out for the same reason, just because it was a bunch of people joking and like, it just was. Alright, I'm gonna do my other eye and my face makeup off camera and I will be right back. Alright, so we're gonna go back into this palette. No, you know what? We're gonna go back into this palette and we're gonna go in with Raspberry. It's taken me forever to get ready. Like, literally forever. I think I need to start playing my music when I do my makeup because I get ready so much faster. I know that's weird, but like, I don't know, I just get in the mood and I'm like dancing and I'm doing it. Doing the dang thing. Go into this one. Alright. Now I'm going to liner. Zoom out. Oh, you son of a bitch. It's alright, wait for it to dry and then you can just rub it off. Lipstick. I want to go in with a nude because I am going to be drinking and I'm going to have a cup. I just got mascara on my lip. I'm going to be drinking and I don't want that line that I get every time I drink something. Like it goes on both sides and it looks really weird. So we're going to put on a nude. Because y'all know I wouldn't care to put on like a really bright color, but I'm going to be social for once. That is the finished look, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you for helping me make it to 500 subscribers. It means the absolute world. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.